My name is Rituparna and I'm going to be your instructor in this Python for Beginners course. In this course, you are going to learn everything you need to get started with Python programming. Let's get started. So Python is one of the most popular programming language and used widely in general purpose high-level language, and its design philosophy emphasizes code readability, and its syntax allows programmer to express concept in fewer lines of the codes, which would be possible in languages such as C. So let me give you a little overview of Python first. Python is a scripting language. It includes object-oriented concepts and it's a portable and very powerful language. It's often called a programming language for beginners because it's really easy to learn Python and it's really easy to implement. If you have little course concept, you can use Python to implement them, and it has mixed feature programming languages like Java and Perl. So what are the uses of Python? It can be used to make system utilities. It can be used to make GUI, which stands for graphical user interface. You can use Python in many fields. So it's a very good idea to learn Python. It's really easy to learn. People use it to do cool things like automation. They use it in AI as well as building applications and websites like Instagram and Dropbox. So if you're looking for a job, Python is for you. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to get started with Python. We are going to talk about a lot of the core concepts in Python, and then we are going to build projects using Python. So in this program, I'll be covering few of the things like basic notebook commands, how to install Python, variables, Python data types like list, tuples, dictionaries and sets, how to give user inputs, conditional statements, Python numeric functions, Python string functions, different kinds of loops, Python class functions, time and date in Python, how to use arrays and matrices, how to use dictionaries and how to use different functions in dictionaries, how to use different packages like numpy and pandas. I'll be also showing you how to use few mathematical functions using numpys. So these are the few things that we'll be covering, and during this course, if you face any problem regarding any lecture, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help and answer any question you post. This course also comes with a certificate of completion which you can post in your LinkedIn profile. So what are you waiting for? Become a Python expert and prove your career by enrolling today. Hope to see you on board. Thank you.